It's not done. She's not finished. We didn't plan for an encore, but all right, a few special thank yous. Teresa and Mike, you have become a staple for our shows. I thank you both for never arguing with me when I put you up to this task. Thank you. Dancers, please be proud of your hard work. The performances were amazing today. Parents, it has been a very busy month with several events. We are very thankful for your commitment to your dancer and your support of our program. Volunteers, the show wouldn't be possible without everyone that lends a hand. Please give a giant round of applause for the people that you don't see backstage. It has also been very extra special to have some of our RCDC alumni help backstage, so let's give Anna and Tyler a round of applause. And instructors, take a step forward. All instructors. Your job is almost finished today. The dedication and passion for dance that you share is so very much appreciated. From those of you that are full-time students.
What I get?
The dedication and passion that you share is so very much appreciated. From those of you that are full-time students, to those that have full-time careers, and those of us that are full-time parents, I personally just want to thank you for being part of this incredible team. And my family, thank you. You always step up and you help with anything that I ask. Put up with me when things are stressful, and you didn't fight me when I asked for you to do balloon matches. Thank you, I very much appreciate it. And on behalf of the RCDC crew, we hope you enjoyed the show. We know someone did. And we wish you both a wonderful holiday with your family and friends. Thank you so much for coming today. You are going to freeze so that your families can come join you.